We head inland now, leaving the coast behind to face the fiery heart of Costa Rica. The volcanoes here are ancient giants, the literal architects of this land. Arenal stands as a sentinel, its perfect cone a symbol of the raw, creative power that lies just beneath the surface. Walking across these ancient lava flows, you feel the weight of time and the incredible resilience of life as it slowly reclaims the stone. The earth here breathes. Geothermal vents release steam from the depths, a constant reminder of the world's hidden energy. In the geothermal fields, the very earth is in motion. Bubbling mud pots create a hypnotic, prehistoric rhythm. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. But where there is fire, there is also comfort. Hidden hot springs offer a sanctuary of warmth amidst the cool mountain air. These mineral-rich waters are a gift from the volcano, a place to find rejuvenation and peace. The soil here is incredibly fertile, giving rise to forests that are even more lush and vibrant than the ones we left behind. The high-altitude inhabitants add their own color to the landscape, constant companions on our mountain ascent. Every flower here is a survivor, perfectly adapted to the unique conditions of this volcanic sanctuary. As we climb higher, the mist closes in, turning the forest into an ethereal world of shadows and light. Then the veil lifts, revealing the stunning turquoise heart of a sleeping giant, a volcanic lake of impossible color. The air here is sharp with the scent of minerals, the breath of the earth itself reaching toward the sky. In the quiet, we might spot the resplendent quetzal, a rare and sacred messenger of the cloud forest. From this vantage point, the scale of Costa Rica's beauty is truly overwhelming, a landscape defined by contrast. Every stone tells a story of an eruption, of a journey from the deep to the surface. What was once a path of destruction is now a vibrant tapestry of life, proving that nature always finds a way. New life begins in the shadow of the old, a cycle that has repeated for eons in this volcanic paradise. The warmth of the earth is harnessed here, offering a moment of quiet reflection as we reach the end of our journey. The mountains catch the last rays of the sun, casting long shadows across the valleys below. Dusk in the cloud forest is a magical time when the world seems to hold its breath. Even at night, the pulse of the volcano can be felt, a quiet reminder of the fire that burns within. The stars over the volcanoes are a sight few ever forget, a window into the vastness of the universe. The sound of water continues through the night, the eternal heartbeat of this living landscape. From the deep jungles to the Pacific shores, and finally here to the volcanic peaks, our journey through Costa Rica has been a testament to the wonder of the natural world. This is Pura Vida, the simple, beautiful life that can only be found in a place as special as this. Thank you for joining us on this walking tour. May the spirit of Costa Rica stay with you until we meet again. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.